Hello, my beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. See, my realistic people, today, Progress the Analyst is here for you. You know that if you see me like this, you know something is about to happen. I know that a lot of people will be saying, oh, who is Asari Dokubo? Please, we don't want to hear. But let me tell you something. Listen to what he have to say. In every nonsense, at times, there is a sense. Asari Dokubo just expressed himself. How he got the copy of the memo or the petition submitted in Finland, and how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to have it hot with Simon Ekpa, because what is going to happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he said, is the same thing that happened to Chief Ralph Uwazirike. He said when they arrest Chief Uwazirike, he stepped down the struggle and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu spring up, and now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is about to spring up, step down, and Simon Ekpa is about to spring up. And the problem is, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released, that there will be a very big problem with Biafra struggle, because Simon Ekpa will never agree to step down, just like what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did to Ralph Uwazirike. So my wonderful family, let me not talk too much. I want to just release the video so that you listen to Asari Dokubo, because in every nonsense there is a sense. There is something that you need to pick out from it. Do you think that the leadership are also working hand in hand with Asari Dokubo, being that is getting the information? Please, because many at times we normally hear this statement that, oh, Simon Ekpa don't want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. Do you think that these are some of the reasons why they are making this statement? Please listen to Asari Dokubo, and I'll be right back.
You build on your foundation on falsehood and lies. The person you are lying against does not need any effort to be vindicated. Yesterday, the US sent a delegation with a Kenga, including the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to Finland to submit a petition, a copy of the petition that was sent to me. But unfortunately, I don't know whether I deleted or something happened. But a copy of the petition was sent to me. Calvin, you are welcome. And they accused Simeon Ekpa. DOS. DOS is the highest decision-making body in IPOB. They sent a petition to the Finnish parliament accusing the self-styled prime minister in exile of Bielsa, of Biafra. Because this name is our own, Sharon Tobra, I'm always confusing it. You saw me call Bielsa instead of Biafra. Accusing him of terrorism, of killings that are going on. Highest body of the struggle. Accusing one of their own, a self-styled prime minister, of committing terrorist acts in the southeast of Nigeria. You remember when I spoke to the press from the villa, I said Nnamdi Kanu is no longer in charge. That Simeon Ekpa had plotted a successful coup, that executed a successful coup, and push Nnamdi Kanu out of the way. It's only convenient for him to be using the name of Nnamdi Kanu. And the DOS knows it. Everybody knows it. They call them autopilot and so on. Yes. Let me tell you, all those who are canvassing for Nnamdi Kanu's release knows very well that Nnamdi Kanu is not any person to be reckoned with in the Biafran struggle any longer. And if Nnamdi Kanu is released today and he does not continue in the agitation for Biafra, he'll be accused of betrayal, becoming a sabo, and have sold out. Sharon, Idikero, and the infighting will escalate. If Nnamdi Kanu is released today, infighting will escalate. And at the end of the day, and at the end of the day, we will have a more dangerous dimension of their so-called Biafra struggle, a more dangerous form of the struggle than the one we're seeing now. Mark my words. The fight will be bloody affairs between the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu and the supporters of Simeon Ekpa. They will be struggling for who is the actual leader. The same way Nnamdi Kanu came to overthrow our senior brother, Ralph Azuruki. That is the same thing that will happen. So releasing Nnamdi Kanu, when these people are still in Nigeria, is pouring fuel to an already dangerous fire. Now, the best way that we have said, let the Igbos go. See, let me tell you, I was just listening to Ikea, and he says everywhere Nigerians go, whether it's in Congo, it's in Kenya, in South Africa, in everywhere, they constitute a nuisance. They are a very big problem. I've seen this in Korea, in South Korea. When I was in South Korea, I went to Itaewon. If you see the loudness of these Igbos, the way they behave, the way they misbehave, Governor Refente, Taura, at Itaewon, the way they behave, without regard to people, the loudness, or you go to Johannesburg, I don't know whether Hillbrow see like this. You go to Hillbrow, you see them. Any society they attach themselves to, they infect that society with the most dangerous virus. So the best thing for us to do is to let them go.